Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I want to speak to you on the Chalice vine or cup of gold vine, which is in the Solanaceae family of tomatoes, potato, datura, the nightshade family, and cup of gold vine or Chalice vine is native to Central America, South America. Can be found in the Caribbean, Trinidad and Tobago, here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines here, working here at the Mental Health Center here in Glen. Um, actually peeked behind here and I said, "Whoa, what is that plant? Looks like angel trumpet, as you would know it's called devil's breath." Been doing some research on that, also reading on that also, which contains tropane alkaloids, which are poisonous compounds. This one here variety here, Solandra grandifolia, contains most of those compounds than any other of the species and varieties in the Solanaceae family, right? And it's pretty poisonous. Like I said, you got to be careful because it can cause skin irritation. And these flowers here, which quite something to be loved by gardeners. It's beautiful ornamental flowers. Plant can be planted in your garden. These are the flowers here, which are shaped like a cup, shaped like a chalice, right? You have purple streaks inside there. You can see they usually bloom in the night. There, usually bloom in the night there, and they give a fragrant smell of coconut. Yeah. So during the day, they will get an even brighter yellow color. Vines are usually woody, right? It's climbing vine. They usually climb onto other like fence trellises. Here it is, right? These will establish themselves in the ground here, sending out notes. Right, managed to get these ones here. See, easy to plant. Just stick it in the ground there in sandy soil, and within a month later, start growing. See that? All up on there. The nodes usually bury into the ground. Right, and take root, continues to grow. But traditionally, medicinally, it's been used by tribes of Mexico, just as the Hucal, the Mestecs, right? It's used as an inebriant, right? It's used also to suppress coughs. The flowers and the leaves even used as an anal suppository, right? By other tribes also even use them as an aphrodisiac, right? One tribe makes a love potion of it, but they warn you can bring out the animalistic nature in you. So basically, they make a love potion. The person that you love, you will get further attracted to the individual. You will find that love of your life. They say, mostly using shamanic practices, like if you're doing the black arts by witch doctors, bush doctors. So it's usually aligned with black magic, dark magic, but they use it sparingly because it's usually linked with evil forces. That if you're practicing divinity or evil forces, you will be using this plant. As with other plants in the Solanaceae family, the tropane alkaloids usually give psychoactive effects, like devil's breath, which is anticholinergic, right? Crossing the blood-brain barrier, which cause number of psychological effects, right? Acetylcholine, those kind of stuff like that. The medical stuff. But also from what I read, they say the flowers in the morning, the dew, right, that collects on the flowers in the morning can use to be dropped in the eyes to improve the sight and also against eye infection. Right. So here it is. Chalice vine, cup of gold. Right, even used by the Aztecs, tribal people of Mexico, right, using their herbal medicine. So it's quite climate vine there, but very poisonous. Contains chopping alkaloids, hyoscine, right, atropine, tropane, right. So that's it for this one, Chalice vine. Thanks again for watching.